For years, businesses chose ERP software based on one question: does it have the features we need? But now there's a more important question. Will this ERP still support our business 5 or 10 years from now? Today's businesses operate in a rapidly changing environment. Technology evolves. Customer expectations shift. New opportunities emerge. Organizations are moving beyond feature checklists and focusing on future-ready ERP platforms that can adapt, scale, and grow alongside their business. Many legacy ERP systems still perform their original functions, but that alone isn't enough. As technology ages, businesses often face limited integrations, growing maintenance requirements, and barriers to scalability, which all slow down business growth. Their original systems didn't stop working, but they can't support where the business is going next. Now, strategic business leaders are asking, can this platform support future growth? Will it integrate with emerging technologies? Can it support automation and AI initiatives? Will it provide the flexibility we need as our business evolves? These are tactical questions that impact long-term success. AccountMate helps organizations build on a foundation that combines operational stability with ongoing innovation. With powerful business management capabilities, flexible integrations, and a platform designed to evolve, AccountMate helps businesses prepare for what's next without sacrificing reliability today. Is your ERP prepared for the future? Talk with an AccountMate partner today and discover how a future-ready ERP can support your long-term growth.